do you want me to go over it one time?
Yeah.
And then-
Yeah.
All right, this is the Iliopsis. This is the psoas major, psoas major, and iliacus. And this is the Iliopsis and pectineus. This one, and this one is sartorius, the longest muscle. And then next to the pectineus, this one is adductor longus. And here is gracilis. And this one is adductor magnus. So adductor longus in front, gracilis in middle, adductor magnus on the back, toward the back. And then this muscle over here is quadriceps femoris in front of the femur. Then this is the rectus femoris, vastus medialis because it's closer to the middle line, vastus medialis, vastus lateralis, and underneath of the rectus femoris is vastus intermedius. So vastus intermedius is this one. So
So-
vastus medialis, vastus intermedius, vastus lateralis, rectus femoris. These are the four heads.
So the-
Quadriceps femoris. And then this muscle, which is the long muscle, and then the most of this muscle is
Tendon.
is called tensor fasciae latae. Tensor fasciae latae, and the lateral side of the thigh. And then on the back, lateral side, this muscle is biceps femoris. Biceps femoris in lateral. And in medial side, there are two muscles. The superficial one is semitendinosus, and the deeper one is semimembranosus. Semitendinosus on top, semimembranosus underneath of that. And this is the biceps femoris. Biceps femoris.
But they're kind of like on one piece, because this right here would be like, I'll let you finish, put that together.
Which one?
This, like, this is the semitendinous, and then it's like pretty much on the same piece. You just, this is
Yeah,
the borderline.
They are on the same piece, but in this model. But actually, they are two muscles. They are two muscles, which one of them is
That's the
on top,
tendinous.
semitendinosus, and underneath of it, semimembranosus.
What's this muscle?
Yeah, this is the one part of
Semitendinous.
Oh, tendon.
semimembranosus.
Okay.
Semimembranosus, which is underneath of this semitendinosus.
So semitendinosus on top and semimembranous underneath. Super.
And this is the gastrocnemius. Gastrocnemius, and this is the tendon of this muscle, which is
Calcaneal
called
tendon.
calcaneal tendon. And then underneath of gastrocnemius, this muscle is soleus, can be seen at both sides.
Okay, soleus.
It's underneath of the gastrocnemius, soleus.
Okay, soleus.
And then, if you see the tibial bone over here, which is the bare area of tibial bone,
Tibial bone.
in front of this bone is tibialis anterior. Tibialis anterior.
Makes sense.
And then on the back of this bone, this muscle is flexor digitorum longus. Flexor. So in the leg, flexor muscles are on the back, and extensors are in front,
Front.
opposite from the hand.
Hand.
For the hand, in front flexors, back extensors. In leg, back
Back.
flexors, front extensors.
Extensors.
So here is the tibialis anterior, then flexor digitorum, and here is extensor digitorum. All right, extensor digitorum, flexor digitorum, between them tibialis anterior. And then two muscles that are located on the lateral side of the leg and on the along of the fibula. It's called fibularis muscle, but fibularis sorry, or proneus. Proneus. Again, there are two proneus muscles, longus, proneus
brevis.
longus, proneus brevis. Proneus longus, proneus brevis. Alright? These are muscles. Now you can go.
Now we can write proneus or fibularis?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the same.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah,
Okay.
relapses, that's it.
We call this longest muscle sartorius. This one here, sartorius. Okay. So this one here, which is number 4.
Where's this one?
Rectus femoris.
Psoas major and
Rectus
elasis.
femoris,
This
rectus
is
femoris.
Psoas major is this one.
This one. That's
Psoas major is this one, iliopsis is this one. When they
Okay, these-
attach together, they make iliopsis.
okay. So this whole part is iliopsis.
No,
and-
no, this one, just
What
Oh,
is
the
that?
iliopsis is this.
This one is iliopus, and this one is
It's a
psoas major.
Okay, psoas major. And where's this one? Pectineus.
pectineus.
Pectineus is the little
muscle.
spot.
This
Oh,
one, yes.
okay.
Pectineus.
It's basically like right here in your almost to your groin.
Pectineus, pectineus, sartorius. And this is rectus femoris.